welcome back to Yoruba Kids Adventure. Today, we're learning everyday Yoruba phrases with my friend. So, we will learn short phrases you can use when talking to friends and family. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go!
Hello, how are you?
In Yoruba, we say Báwo ni.
Báwo ni.
And to answer, I can say dáadáa, meaning I am fine. So, let's say that together.
Báwo ni.
How are you?
Mo wà dáadáa.
I am fine. Let's talk about saying thank you. When someone helps you, you say ẹ ṣé. That means thank you. And if you're really grateful, you can say
Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
thank you very much. Let's say it together. Ẹ ṣé.
Thank you.
Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
Thank you very much.
For making requests or when you want to be polite, you can say ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
That means please. For instance, to ask my mom for water, I say ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ fún mi lómi. Together we'll say
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
please. To apologize. Let's try this. Say I accidentally stepped on your toes. What should you say?
You say pẹ̀lẹ́.
Say pẹ̀lẹ́. That means sorry.
Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Sorry. Great job, friends! Today, we learned some useful Yoruba phrases. Báwo ni. Mo wà dáadáa. Ẹ ṣé.
Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Remember to practice these words at home with your friends and your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Dáadáa.